Hey, I'm Brian, and I have this 2024 Tesla Model 3 behind me that I will be repairing with the assistance of my father. We will both be doing the work. Um, we'll work together on this, and let's take a look. So we have here a rear end collision that we have already been start cutting up. I will go over it in the video clips you'll see, but yeah. So a little bit about me is that many years working with my father in the collision business for over a decade. We have a background of fixing collision work, framework, paint work, disassemble, reassemble, like the standard auto body collision work that the auto world does. And I finally decided that I was going to make a video showcasing some of the skill set and knowledge that we have, because I've always been posting on Instagram of all the work and things that I do. So this will be my first video, which will be this Tesla Model 3 build. So I hope you enjoy this small build documentary that I'll be doing. That's the last look right there that we'll see in this first episode. So I hope y'all enjoy. shampoo the frame on the left rail, homemade style. Let's see if it works.
Jack. Jack, how you doing?
Just gonna put a jack underneath to see, to give it some support, and try to pull it again.
Give me that wood, that metal. That wood too.
Right there?
No, put it back down.
I didn't even get it up yet.
Jack it up. Okay, stop.
Yeah,
It's coming.
yeah, it's going. Oh, now we just fix it. Alright, that's it I got for part one. Sitting inside here on the Tesla with the white interior that everyone likes a whole lot, with these plaid symbols on the left side and the right side. That's it for this video. If y'all got any questions, leave a comment below. Any nice thoughts that you can think of, or don't say nothing at all, or just hit the like, comment, subscribe, and that's it, y'all. Thanks.